Morning everybody, it's the 13th of March, we're just getting ourselves ready in the morning. We've got Chris, Kyle and Haggy. So, the plans, what's happening today. Haggy is going to be filming the next 2 days. He's got Dan's SVJ, he's got Jay coming to pick an R36 Passat up today, he's got an SVR coming in today and an Ismo leaving, so I think it's only right that he vlogs the next 2 days. Yeah. Wiggins is coming to pick up his car tomorrow, so I'll jump in a little bit with them. But yeah, so Haggy is going to be your vlogger today.
The Haggy car, man.
Are you ready, Haggy?
I am indeed.
There he is. Kyle, are you ready for the SVJ?
Way high.
There we go. Chris, are you ready as well?
Ready, mate.
So I enjoyed Chris's videos at the weekend, especially the Tim and Canna. Honestly, it was really good to see your video and also Chris's video. It's really good. So I'm looking forward to meeting you. And I can't remember, was it the 24th of March? Maybe I'm wrong. It could be the 28th when you come for the chaser. But for now, it's over to the Hag.
So guys, it's Monday morning. I'm here with Chris and we've got the SVR on the dyno. So we do a base run first, see what she's making, then we add on the mods from there. So any sort of information you can pass on there? So obviously we...
The car, as far as I know, is stock apart from a Quicksilver exhaust.
Yeah,
right?
catback, yeah, indeed.
So space runs, we're going to find out what power it's making before we start tuning, before we start fitting any other parts. We'll do some base diagnostics as well, so we'll scan the car and make sure it's all alright. And then from there, it's into the workshop to have the parts fitted. So yeah, and
go from there. Yeah.
That's about it.
Yeah. So Dan, I know that you've been patiently waiting. The SVJ is now getting torn apart and start the process of the install. ECU is on its way. I'm here with Mr. Jim Tardy himself, who's done all our in-house installs. So yeah, so let's have a look at his progress and go from there and bring the noise. So guys, we're now off to pick Jake up and his friends. One very happy customer who's just purchased this R36 Passat. Dare I say, I mean, these cars, for the price they are, I don't think you can beat them on the market at the minute. Like fully loaded, good V6 motor. Yeah, and we also, because we are quite close to train links and obviously the airport, we are able to offer a collection for customers as well, which is handy. So if you ever need collection, we can arrange it as well. So Jake, you'll be one happy bloke. So just picked the car up with Jake there. So one very happy customer. So yeah, so we're en route to GM again. So yeah, we'll sort of deal it from there. But from now, we're going to enjoy the car on the way back and we'll report back at GM. So we're back here with Will's SVR. The customer specified that he wants some better braking performance. So on that front, we have gone with RBF 600 brake fluid. So obviously higher temperature, so it means that it lasts a bit longer, a bit better durability, a bit better performance. And also on top of that, we have gone for the Rodo DS 2500s. Which is a perfect sort of blend of street pads to fast road, even the track sort of performance. So there'll definitely be some performance gains on that. We've also got some 200 cell sports race cards, as you can see here. So this will allow the car to breathe a bit better once it's mapped and tuned with intakes, and go from there. Will also has a very nice Nismo R35 as well, which we look after. So yeah, Will, like once this is done, she'll be a beast, so watch out. We've also got Sean's fantastic Evo 9 sitting there in the background. Probably one of the nicest condition Evos I've ever seen. It's also right next to the black sort of circuit spec to sort of fast road, which is also still available. An Evo specialist came, had a look at this, and he was very impressed by the condition. As we discussed before, it's a bargain at the price, you know, especially the grand scheme of things with Evo 9s now 35 grand plus landed, so that one there is definitely a bargain. So if you're after it, come and speak to me, sales@gm-imports.co.uk, or give me a bell on number, which I'll put a link on there. It's Monday afternoon, I'm with the boss man there, but what can I say, I think roles are reversed here. Look at this, there's sweets on the desk.
Pinch me egg.
For once, it's not me. Have you got anything to add?
Have your egg, that's all I'm going to say. Make sure you have an egg. I'm just busy doing some Instagram posts on the GM page. I'm the man behind all the posts, so if I get the S3 and R36 wrong, I'm sorry, I apologise. Haggy does the awful ones.
So, final part of the day. Last few orders you can see in the background there, which are going out. Just to note, I do have some quite rare parts coming from Japan. Some Veilside R32 13 wing mirrors as well, so keep an eye on the page. If you need something along those lines, like JDM parts, stuff like that, you know where to grab me. The link will be there before. But that's Monday done, complete. So roll on Tuesday.
So that is all for today, guys. I hope you like the videos we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share, comment, good, bad. Okay.